was one of those who crafted the K-12 law, no? Pero we didn't design it that way. Dapat, yung original design yan, when a student graduates in grade 12, work ready na yan. Plus, meron na nag-aantay ng mga trabaho para sa kanila. Dapat both ways yan. Not just education, but also the employment opportunities. Ang nangyayari, hindi ganun. Naging repetitive. When you go to 11 and 12, supposedly, that will shorten your stay in college. And, kaya tayo may tech book na strand, is for those who cannot afford to go to college or do not choose to go for their studies, to be work ready. Highly skilled na sila dapat supposedly. Unfortunately, hindi naging ganun yung kinalabasan ng K-12 program. It was not what we envisioned during that time. So I guess talaga it's high time na rin. These are linked to our, nabanggit ni Carlo kanina, upskilling and reskilling our workforce for them to be ready for green jobs, better jobs, and future jobs, especially with the advent of artificial intelligence, yung AI. Malaking issue rin ito, no? So I guess that's one of the factors where the new Deputy Secretary can really look into, no? The K-12 program. Kasi dyan, basic education yan eh. 1 to 12, di ba, kailangan yan. College naman, ano na yan, parang master of subjects mo na yan eh. Supposedly yan, 11 and 12, naaral mo na yung mga basic subjects. When you go to college, major mo na. Wala na dapat, history 101, English 101. Repetitive. And it wastes a waste of time, waste of money. Di ba? Sa mga estudyante, sa mga magulang natin.